Our founder said that communication is a basic human need. And when he said that, I bet he meant communication between humans. But now we're entering a new era where machines are communicating with each other and machines are communicating with humans. And not only communicating, they're actually communicating in an intelligent way. Humans are teaching machines and machines teaching us, and we are becoming better together, and that's a very exciting world. My name is Elena Fersman. I'm leading artificial intelligence research at Ericsson. Remote robotics is a complex system, and it resides on top of even more complex system, which is a telecom network. What happens now with the 5G is a different thing because the capacity is different, the speed is different, the reaction time is different, so remote robotics can really be used in a very different way. We are enhancing our capabilities using data, using AI, the new algorithms. Robotics are enhancing our physical capabilities, and all types of enhancements of human body with the help of robotics, that's really critical. This opens up very interesting possibilities because using a human brain, one can control exoskeleton that doesn't only sit on my body, but maybe somewhere else. Meaning that I can control a robot that's being far away from me. So many jobs can be done in a very different way, much more efficiently. And then it means that we can also enhance the factories, enhance the different other industries, and it changes the landscape completely. In order to be able to adjust and react on the requirements, the network needs to be very fast and optimized. And this we do with the help of AI. So using AI and different machine learning methods, we're improving the functionality of the network so that it actually reacts and adjusts according to the requirements from remote robotics. It's really about being able to dictate your intent for a task on a very high level, so you don't give detailed instructions. This is actually the research problem that we are looking at, how to split this high-level intent all the way to each component and then to the network as well, and see how they need to organize. Whenever something changes in the system, whenever you get a requirement, whenever you need to optimize it even better, or whenever something fails, a robot runs out of battery, then the system needs to adjust. And that it also means that we want to be in the loop, right? Humans want to be in the loop and be able to monitor at some point. I want to be able to check in and say, so what are you doing and why are you doing this? And then the system should be capable of explaining it to me. When it adjusts by itself and self-organizes, this is what we call zero-touch operations, when it's actually capable of deciding by itself. When everything is connected and the zero-touch is there, and the platform allows for new types of devices and robots being born, and the new services will be there, developed by so many in the community, I think there will be so many new exciting services out there to help out in our everyday life. And we don't even need to give high-level intent anymore. They will just self-organize and make our life better.